Today, we'd like to show you a DIY project, laser mark on a beauty blender. For this funny DIY project, we're using a RedShift CO2 laser machine. Look! The laser is marking our logo on the beauty blender. It's like magic. And there you have it, our logo is perfectly marked on the beauty blender. But we're not done yet. Now, it's time to get more creative. We've designed some fun and unique patterns for this beauty blender. Let's add some personality to it. The process is truly remarkable. As the laser beam makes contact with the material's surface, it causes localized heating, resulting in a change in the material's appearance. Whether you're working with acrylic, wood, or even sponge, the laser marking process can achieve intricate designs with incredible precision. And the best part? The beauty blender is still as soft and efficient as ever. The laser marking doesn't affect its performance at all. Oh my gosh, this is just too funny. Check out this hilarious dog face we've laser marked. That's what makes this DIY project so awesome. You get a uniquely designed beauty blender that works like a charm. Welcome to contact us for a quote on RedShift laser machine.